What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy, your Wavy 6 back at ya with another episode. I'm stunning to you guys. Feel it? You feel it? Stunning. Feel this? You pop your collar real quick. Feel me? Feel me? Let's back at to the business. Today's episode we're gonna talk about after you get a haircut. You know what I'm saying? I was wolfing. I forgot to tell my barber though. You know what I'm saying? Cause my hair and the boy went and did his thing. By the time I realized already, you know what I'm saying, halfway, so I couldn't stop the boy. It was my fault. You know what I'm saying? Just in case, I'm letting you guys know I was wolfing. I was gonna wolf for like 10 weeks and then cut it off. And my fault. You know what I'm saying? It was a miscommunication, but anyways, let's get back to the topic. You know what I'm saying? Let me stun a little bit. When you guys feel it, you know what I'm saying? On your way, we can stun too. Feel me? Pop my collar real quick. Roll my shoulders off. Let's get back. Let me show you guys my progress real quick. Today is Friday. I already went outside. Already chill. I'm good. Back to the cribbo. I'm gonna keep my shades on for a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make sure you guys, you know what I'm saying, stay focused. Focus right here. Let's get this. Alright. I'm working on the swirl. I had a 540 once again. By the way, this is a 1.5. 1.5, I'll cut it. Alright, just want to show you guys my progress real quick. Boom, boom, boom. I'm using this right now. Using the palm brush, Diane 1702. You can cop it on Amazon or you can cop it on one of your favorite stores. Right now, let me see. I can't wear with the shades on, so let me take my razors off, fella. Blue inside, get it? Blue, favorite color by the way. You can see the T-Mac behind me too, Trace my grader for those who know. Since I got a 1.5, this is the best way right now for you to correct your angles and shifting and crease. This is the best way right now for you to take the opportunity to do it. Feel me? So right now I'm working on a swirl. Man, tell my barber not to cut my hair, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it happened to you guys, but you let me know if this is true. Every time you go to the barber, right? Cut your hair, do whatever, right? Every time you sit on a chair, you fall asleep, you get knocked the hell out. I don't know what's wrong with these barber's chairs, man. They too comfy. So, you know what I'm saying? I just dazed out. By the time I got up, boy was already cutting my hands. So, I can't get mad at him. It was not his fault. You know, I forgot to tell him. Now I gotta start the journey again. But it's cool though. Cool. The reason why, you guys know this already, when you're wolfing, you got more hair to play with. Since I got a 1.5 right now, it's good to train your hair when you cut your hair low, right? But it's bad because you don't have enough hair to play with. That's the reason why it's good to wolf. Okay? Wolfing is exactly for that, for you to fix your angles and I'm saying? Or if you shifting, or you breaking a fork, that's why you got a wolf. But it's cool though, you know, I'm still working with it. This is when you gotta go ham. This is when you gotta spend a lot of time with it. It's the best time when you cut with a 1.5. It's the best time to fix your angles, get rid of the fork, because you got low hair. You don't have a lot of hair, so this is the best time for you to fix everything. Since you know what I'm saying, I used to have a 540, and now I'm shifting to 360 swirl. You know, it's not a lot of difference. Only thing with a 540 is really slanting in the front. It's like this. You see the brush? Like this. So from like this, I went like this. You see? Yeah. So take your time. This is the best time for you to focus. And any mistakes that you got in your hair, this is when you cut your to 1.5. So this is the time for you to fix everything. If you got low hair, it's easy to manage your hair when it's slow. Control it. Just get a brush, a soft. Don't use a hard brush, because if you use a hard brush, you're gonna hurt your scalp. This is a soft. You know? And I'm not even pushing the brush. I'm just put them in the right angle and just pulling them. I'm not even pushing my brush down or anything. Okay, not that bad. Here, I had a crooked wave right there. See right here? I had a crooked wave, and I fixed it little by little. The only fork that is giving me problems, to be honest, rid of it. Is this one right here. This one right here. Somehow, some way, the hair, they don't want to come out of the fork. So I'm gonna make a little. So I'm gonna comb really bad, and I'm gonna go with the opposite. I'm brushing the way that I'm supposed to, but I'm just gonna play with it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go the opposite way to see if I could break it. I'm gonna focus on it like at least half an hour, because I'm brushing everything the right way. So I'm just gonna focus on it. So this is what you do, guys. After a fresh cut, focus on your angles, fix any crooked ways you have. This is good to break forks, to better your connections, to study your hair, and so on. This is the best time, because this is when your baby hair is coming up. So this is the best time for you to fix it. Since I'm shifting, my hair's looking kind of messed because I'm shifting. But it's a process, man, you know. That's what happens when you don't want to cut your hair. Feel me? So I didn't want to cut my hair, so I gotta be patient and I gotta wait. That's how it is. Eventually, it's gonna come. Good thing comes to those who wait. All right. Peach, ready. Small bro section of the haircut. Put my stunners on. You know the vibes. Boy, you wavy 6, I'm out of here. Like, subscribe, stay out of trouble. Peace and love. I'm out of here.